So here is how you can put a note on your lock screen on an iPhone. Let's begin and let's get started. So if this is your first time on Foxtecc, check out the rest of the channel and subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So when you can go to your lock screen, you can see we've got a bunch of ways how you can customize it. So if you want to get a quick access to your iPhone Notes app so you can quickly get in there, you can replace your toggles. So you can see I have the, usually people have the camera or flashlight, but you can go to the customize and replace it by the Notes quick access. So you can just have it right there and you'll be able to quickly get to your notes, right? So that's like one way of getting your notes on the lock screen. On the other hand, you might also look into the widgets, but the Notes app doesn't have a lock screen widget available, so we cannot really add that. But if you quickly want to just add a little bit of a, like a little text or a sentence or something like a reminder, like if you want to just write something on the lock screen so you can quickly see it every time you look, well, for that, there exists a specific application with that purpose. And this app is called AnyText. It's freely available on the App Store. It doesn't even do anything else. The whole point of that app is to do exactly this, to bring text on your lock screen, right? So it gets the job done. Just download the app and you can see you can add this as your widget to the lock screen and customize the text according to your preference. So you can have literally anything, any sentence showing on your lock screen. So I really hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do exactly what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching and your support, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.